Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Mouthful Economics. In this video, we'll talk about matrix. Now, matrices are just like tables. In a table, say we have a table here, this is a table, these are the columns, and these two are the rows. Here we can put numbers, just like tables. In case of matrices, we can put some numbers. We either use parenthesis sign or square brackets to express a matrix. Say for example, A is a matrix. This one is 1, 2, so this is 2, 0, and this is 3 and 4. So this is a matrix. How many columns are there? There are 1, 2 and 3 columns. So we can write there are 3 columns. And how many rows are there? This is the first row and this is the second row. So we can write 2 rows. To learn the dimension of a matrix, we first write down the number of rows that the matrix has. Here the matrix A has, and then the number of columns that the matrix A has. And we use a cross sign. It does not say multiplication. For example, let us consider this table a rectangle. So we can say this is a 2 by 3 feet table or a 2 by 3 feet rectangle. Just like that, we'll say this is a 2 by 3 matrix. That means the dimension of the matrix is 2 by 3, which means that there are 2 rows and 3 columns. Again, we have another matrix, say B, which is equal to say 1 0 1 0 2 1 1 1 0. So how many rows are there? First row, second row and third row. So 3 rows by first column, second column and third column. 3. So there are 3 columns. Well, this is all for now. Don't forget to practice. There is one disclaimer though, not a native English speaker, therefore following my grammar and pronunciation is subject to tremendous risk. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Want to learn more? Follow the link in the description below. Bye bye.